All right, today we have primed the oil pump just to see if it will run. What about that guy right there, huh? Now that is a clog. The guy did say it overheated, but fortunately we found oil down in there and we were able to, with the drill and 7 millimeter socket, able to prime the oil pump and or run the oil pump. I guess not prime it. I don't know. Learning, but this is what we did, and then we put a lot of electrical tape on there so that it did not have a chance of falling in there. But running it counterclockwise where the distributor is what we did, and we found that oil was coming up through all the rockers, so that's positive. All right, so everything looked very dry because this has not run in 7 years, and I have some assembly lube that I wanted to put on to the camshaft and to the distributor gear. And I was sort of thinking that, well, the camshaft, I don't have it on any of the areas of the camshaft where it comes in contact with the bearing races. Forgive me for my lack of knowledge of automobile parts. But we decided to go ahead and put it on the gear of the camshaft that came in contact with the gear of the distributor. So I got down there and put a 15/16 socket on the crankshaft and moved it around to where we got all sides of the camshaft. However, once we put the distributor in here, I realized, well, now we don't know where the engine is, and it's not in the same spot as what we marked on the distributor. So we're going to have to start again with top dead center and our timing and that sort of thing, which is okay. I mean, we just want to hear it run. Can you imagine? My goodness. That will. But we're going to pull this whole thing out and go through it all. Look at the mechanical fuel pump. The vacuum lines are so. This one is to the wiper, which we will change to electronic wipers. The coil, will change the coil. But with the thermostat housing in there, I was able to get one bolt out by heating this up with the torch. And then I tried to heat this other end up with the torch, but was unable to get this bolt out. So I think I'm going to wait, because the water pump is blocking it. I'm going to wait to where we get the upper intake off and then come at it and try to get that other bolt out so I don't shear it off in there and then have a much bigger problem. All right, so that's sort of an update of where we at in our project right now. See ya.